trim, so don't feel
Just do it. It doesn't matter. It's all part of it. There you are. You're doing it. You're doing your trim.
That's good enough.
So it's only a little dot in a... Don't go too far away. I can't see it. It's a dot in the distance. There's no interest to anybody. Keep this side. Don't go behind me. Don't go behind me. Swinging this thing about into the sun ain't going to be very good. And I've no idea if it's focusing on it. You can come up close to me if you want. Whoa. Oh, I actually see the blades going round. You're doing straight through the sun. Where you gone? Over there. Looks like you're miles away. Come closer, right up, because you're still only a 1/4 inch dot on this screen, even at that range. Now where you going? No, it isn't. Well, you just keep still and I'll move to you. You just keep the damn thing still and I'll move up to it. Keep there, stop moving about. Woo, look at that. There you go. Alright, now go towards you. Where are you? Oh, there you go. Come around then. And don't wiggle about, you're confusing me. You make the observer sick if you start swaying about. Your trim's all over the place. Get it come in front of you, because I'm not seeing it. It's supposed to be you as well. I can't see you because you're. Get it come close to you. I'll.
Stay there. I'll hit
you. Ugh. Where is it? Now where are you going? You feel like a jet fighter. Oh. There's a little dot on the screen. Come back, Chuck. Oh, blimey, Vincent. Keep me guessing, don't you? Bring it up to you, so it's not just to the. It's supposed to be you, your toy. Leave it there. I'll move up towards you. What are you moving away from me for? I'm trying to catch up with you. Where is it? I'll land it at your feet. Now go up to it so you can see a close-up of it. Where's the front of it? That's this side, isn't it?